guys, what's up? It's Itsemilyana. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 4. And so basically I'm doing this, as you could tell by that. I'm doing this at my apartment and not home. My brother was still sleeping and I was trying not to wake him. So I didn't want to film an intro because I did it when I was coming back. So this is the intro, but like this is my room at home. There will also be a house tour with decorations, and then this tour, which this tour is gonna be kind of boring because I don't got much here, which is kind of sad. But I have a few cutie things, and I could go based off that. But yeah, let's get into the video, but this will be a voiceover, so yeah, fun. Okay, let's start this. So first off, there's a little snowflake. It's right when you walk into my room, but it's cute. It's always there. Love it. Now we go to this little shelf. I have two concert ornaments that have the date. One's Taylor, one's Jake, because I had so much confetti from Jake. We got a little penguin. There's a few penguins around my room. A ornament I got from my aunt, and my newest addition, this little nutcracker that is so pretty and pink. And then over here, there's a sign that says, "Santa, please stop here." And then we have another little sign that says, "That's it, I'm calling Santa," which is on the other side. And then another little penguin. Penguins are my favorite animal. This is a little whimsical moment. So I have a few angels, a little bird, and a few trees. The pink tree is actually a candle, and it smells pretty good. Pretty good, I will say, for me not picking it out. And then we got a Merry Christmas sign, still with the glitter whimsically vibes. And then a pearl glitter tree. I love it. So good. Fits perfect with my Eras Tour thing. So this frame has a bunch of Polaroids in it, but I always hang this little ornament that says warm wishes there. I just do it. I've started it a while ago, and now I can't stop. This is a reindeer unicorn / thing. And then this is a book that I got from a craft show, and someone made this. And it's mirror balls. It's still the whole whimsical vibe. I love it, but I love mirror balls, so I needed it. But they had so many cute ones, and I had trouble choosing. I think that's a sugar plum. I don't know if that's for sure, but it has like the trees and ornaments coming out of it. That's really cool. And then my tree is kind of the same. I just added Taylor Swift bracelets and an ornament to make it more Swifty vibe. I was feeling it. I don't know, I needed to. And then this little angel is always there. And then my next little ornament on there is for my papa, who passed away this year, and he loved golf, and so I thought it was gonna be nice with the little angel section, because here's more angels. So the angels started with this little baby here, and I love this little baby angel, and so I always had an angel cubby. So this is my angel cubby. There is a little birdie and a sign that says, "Believe miracles do happen." I love it. I love this cubby every year. And now we're getting to my Wonderland. So that light up tree is, I believe, from Home Goods. It's so cute. Pretty pink, silvery, sparkly. And now we're getting to Mickey. And it's a whole Disney little Wonderland. Here's like a Donald toy shop. And here's Goofy with Donald and the three little duckies that I don't know the names to. Here's Pluto with Mickey for Pluto's pet shop. Here's Mickey's Christmas castle with Mickey and Minnie driving in front of it. I'm not a Disney adult, but like these were my nanas, and the Disneys were always my favorite as a kid. We got a gingerbread snow globe that my nana did actually make for me, and it's so cute. And then this is the Princess Castle with Snow White, Ariel, Belle, and Cinderella in front of it. That one was always mine. It was in, I believe, my room at my nana's house, but I'm not quite sure. But we're lastly kind of getting on to the last ones is Minnie's Bakery with a bunch of Mickey and Minnie characters, and then lastly Cinderella right there with a bunch of trees also. That little sugar tree you saw there was so cute, and that is one of my new favorite additions. So this is my vinyl case, and I put a Santa hat behind there. And then this is a gnome corner. There's no other way of explaining. This is what I had left. So there's a bunch of gnomies. The books might turn into red and green books, so it might help the vibe instead of all my Sarah J. Maas and Fourth Wing books. But yeah, that's my room and my little gnome corner. But here's the Wonderland at night. It's not as vibey as seeing like them in like actual light, but I love reading with this on. So yeah, that's enough for me. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my Christmas decorations. I love the added stuff that I have this year is what I call like a little wonderland. It's all Disney houses. We have more houses, and you'll see that when I do the big house tour, but I'm excited like for the little Disney ones in my room because they were always my favorite. Actually, my favorite is downstairs in our living room, and it's this ice castle, and that one was my favorite. And basically what a wonderland is I'll insert really bad quality pictures because it was a few years ago, and I had to search. I went searching on Facebook to see if anyone had any pictures from when we would, like, me and my brother would take pictures in my Nana's Wonderland, my Nana and Papa's Wonderland, and it would take up half their living room. Honestly, more like 75% of their living room, but it was so amazing. Like, I can't explain it. The pictures obviously don't give it justice, but I'll put them in. I have them like saved on my phone. Like, I'm obsessed that I have my own little wonderland in my room. I love turning the lights on when I'm reading, and I just love it. I absolutely love it, and it's like such nostalgic feeling for me because I grew up with my Nana doing the Wonderland, and for a lot of years there hasn't been a Wonderland, so like now we're carrying on the tradition and just doing like little things here and there. We even have like houses in the basement. My brother has houses in his room, not as crazy as me, but yeah, I love it. I think it's really fun. I love it. It's so cute. My room turned out really, really nice. Really, I loved it. I love it so much. But at school is kind of sad, but I'm literally here for 3 weeks, so I didn't go too crazy. I could have taken some of the stuff that I had from home back with me, but I kind of like, it's very minimalistic, is that the word, this year, so at least at my school or apartment, it's just not too crazy, but I have cute pillows and everything, but that's for a different video. But thank you again so much for watching. I hope you have amazing rest of your day, morning, night, whatever, like and subscribe. I'm posting every single day of December, so make sure you follow up with me. My socials are all down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alrighty, bye bye.